So welcome students, and today we're going to look at some words used in the market. You are in the market and you would like to purchase something, you would like to inquire something, or you would like to inquire the price of something. So in this video I brought for you these common words that you use when you are in the market or when you have gone to purchase something. Okay, number one we have buy. Buy. So you use buy when you want to get something from someone in exchange for cash. For example, I am buying this pen. I want to buy the car. So buy is used when you want to get a commodity from someone in exchange for cash. So we use buy. So buy. Number two, we have sell. Sell. So sell is like that someone selling the commodity, he gives it to you and you give him cash. So in other words, he has sold the commodity to you. So we use sell when we are getting something from someone and we have bought it from the seller. Sell. Number three, we have purchase. Purchase. Purchase, you like buying the commodity. New. New. Something new. And it's not old, so new, it means something very fantastic in usage. Old. Old. Old to be outdated. So it is old. Number six, we have stock. Stock. At times we use stock or goods. Goods. Or they can be items. So I'm going to buy the stock from the seller. I'm going to buy goods from the seller or items. Okay, number seven, we have bargain. Bargain, an agreement between your price and the seller. In other words, you are bargaining towards purchasing the commodity. We have price. Price. Price of the commodity. We have market prediction. Market prediction. So market prediction, it means like you forecast the price that the commodity will be sold to you. So you are market predicting. Agreement. Agreement, you come to a conclusion on the price between you and the seller. So you have agreed on the price that you want to purchase the commodity. Agreement. Discount. Discount. So discount on commodities is like they reduce on the price that they are selling to customers. So in other words, they have put discounts on their commodities. Customer. Customer. So customer is the person who is going to purchase the commodity. Okay, 13 we have seller. The seller, the person from whom the commodity is being purchased from. In other words, is the seller, while that person buying is the customer, and the seller can offer discounts on commodities. Hope now we are together. So seller is the person from whom the commodity is being bought from. Market. Market. So market is the place where we buy the commodities. So market. Cheap. Something cheap. An example, the cup is cheap. The plate is cheap. Something to be cheap in cost. Well, if it is not cheap, it is expensive. 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 Something, for example, a car is more expensive compared to a cup. Expensive. Okay, those were some of the words that are commonly used in the marketplace. You can drop in your comments on more words and we further learn together. Bye bye. Let's meet up in the next video.